Just want to show you a few things to look for and what to do when you find one of these. They want it to look real, you know, official and from the factory and scary, but it's not. So some things to look for, anything like that is not from the factory. So what they actually do is they're actually cutting wires and running those wires through the aftermarket box. So you just got to find the wires that are cut and then basically reconnect them. So there were 3 here. 2 or 3 of them were a twisted pair to 1, and then 1 was 1 wire to 1 wire. Right there. Right there. And right there. If you see any kind of self-tapping screw, that did not come from the factory. That was actually right here. Yeah, definitely don't be afraid to remove these. So sometimes the car will start for a second and then die. If that happens, there's probably still a wire cut somewhere. So it's you got to think like they're trying to hide this from you. So sometimes you have to look a little bit deeper than you should. But I just got everything removed and connected back up. And then to show you, everything still works.